2025 and leading in 2026 have had a lot of talk about AI stock-oriented bubble. And I'm just going to tell you, and I've written about this a lot, but I've been around a long time. I've been running money for over half a century. And the fact is, when people talk about a bubble in advance, before the bubble bursts, it's almost never a bubble. Bubbles require huge investments in things that can't pay off while everybody believes that they will. AI is real. Most, not all, of the money that's going into AI development is going into it by companies that are making money and paying for it out of their cash flow. The reality is, well, there's a little bit of leverage here and a little bit of leverage there. That's true throughout the commercial world. It's not different with AI. Some people will tell you it is because, and it may be true that this particular AI stock may do badly and that one do well. That's also true in almost every category. It's also not different. But the notion that this is a bubble is also interesting in that these stocks as a category peaked over 5 months ago, and the talk about this bubble still going on. The fact of the category is that it's a subset of bigger categories that are tech stocks, which is a subset of a category that's bigger still, which is growth stocks. And all of those peaked last fall and been falling ever since. And as a whole, last year, and this is a part that most people don't think through, but the overlap between AI-related stocks and the infamous Mag 7 is very high on a money-valuated basis. And yet, 5 of the 7 Mag 7 underperformed the S&P 500 in 2025. And of course, the S&P 500 underperformed the world stock market in 2025, as it's doing in 2026. All of which leads to the notion that the talk about an AI bubble, AI may be better than people think it'll be. It may be worse than people think it'll be, but it'll be a real thing, and these companies will be engaged with it in a real way, and they're profitable. That's not a bubble. So I think I've answered the question. The talk about it is kind of nonsensical talk. Nonsensical, fearful talk is in and of itself a positive statement about the market. The more you get people saying something's a bubble when it's not a bubble, that's a reflection of fear that's in the marketplace now. False fear is always a positive for stocks moving forward. I'll just point that out. The talk is a bullish feature. Thank you. Hope you found this useful, somewhat enjoyable. Hi, this is Ken Fisher. Subscribe to the Fisher Investment YouTube channel if you like what you've seen. Click the bell to be notified as soon as we publish new videos.